It all started in 1842 when scientist John Herschel invented the cyanotype photography process, also called sunprinting, because you can use direct sunlight for exposure. Turn any photos from your gallery into sunprint. Family portrait, favorite selfie from your Instagram, photo of your pet. The possibilities are endless. What you get is a one-of-a-kind art piece between photo and painting. For a different look, you can even use coffee or tea toning. With this historic technology, you can transform your precious memories into a conversational art piece. Take the image, create vintage. Book your workshop now and learn this amazing technique.